Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Chris in Louisiana on this new General HP40. Chris got it ready to go for you, bud. Our tuning alignment and the Toshiba voltage regulator. Let's get right to it. On low power, you want to set it up to run your big 4-pill 100-watt slug. Got you at 3 watts carrier, and let me show you what's going to swing. Hello. At 135, 140 PEP. Go to high. There's your 30 watts, the way you want to run it barefooted. Hello. About 145 PEP. Let's show you average. Hello, audio. About 60 bird. Chris got ready to go for you, bud. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump.